Welcome to Lunamade Soup Series number 1. Today we're making the easiest one pot broccoli cheddar bacon soup. Cozy, creamy, and perfect for busy days. I start by crisping up a few slices of bacon right in the pot. When it's golden, I take it out and leave some of the beautiful bacon fat. Next, I add some butter, sauté onions and garlic until they're soft and fragrant. Then add some flours to make roux. Then pour in chicken broth and milk. And after that, I add some broccoli, carrots, and bacon back till soft. Then add some cheddar cheese and stir often as it will stick to your pan, bottom of your pan. If you don't, let it simmer until everything comes together and cooked. And that's it, warm, comforting bowl of a homemade broccoli cheddar bacon soup, all done in one pot. Simple, cozy, and so delicious.